Alright, you guys, heads up now. Talking to you guys. What do you say? What do you say, boys? Good. Alright. You guys better pay attention now. Coming in there. Hang on. I'm going. Let me get over here. How's all my guys? How's my guys? Hey, Vana. Or is that Vana? No, that's Letta. You just hang on, Letta. So these are the Sage and Willow boys. Hang on, Letta. Hang on, Letta. That's your Aunt Letta. That's your Aunt Letta. She wants to come and say hello. Okay, Letta. Hang on. Let me get your aunt. Let me get your aunt. Let me get your aunt. She's just a noise maker like you guys. Hang on. Hang on, you guys. Hang on. Hang on. Hang on. Let it. What the heck's going on? Come on, I'm talking to you. You'll get your wet buddy. Don't be fighting. Don't be fighting. Go ahead, come and say hello. Come and say hello. Come here. What? How you boys been doing anyway? Don't be lying. So these are the Sage and Willow pups. Now Sage and Willow are two sisters. There was 11 of these. And they're all going home just right now. And so one brother went yesterday, and one of these big boys, I believe it's this guy right here, is heading out just in a couple days. He's heading to Montana. And then these two boys are staying. One's going to Colorado, and I can't remember where this other guy's going yet. But all big, rough, and tumble fellas. Whip at him. Whip at him. You're a good boy. You're such a nice fella. You're a good hiker. Good boy. Can you guys settle down and do a video? I'm doing a video here. We're trying to do a video, right? Oh, you're a good boy. Get over here. Quit goofing around. Quit goofing around. No more fighting. No more fighting. That's it. That's it. So yeah, we're having a fun time with these guys. So yeah, so I'm going to have them out here in a bit, but just wanted to get a little video where she's quiet. I got female cycling, so it's noisy outside. But I haven't had a chance to get these guys on a video yet. So I'm doing that right now. Doing that right now. So yeah, these are a wonderful set of dogs. Oh my God, really good dogs. These are 5th generation pups for us. So Wendy and Dale raised these guys, whelped these guys out. I just got them yesterday. This is my first couple of hours with them. So they're my buddies already. The trick with these dogs is you bond right away. Get bonding right off the bat. And then start showing them some signs and commands. But I mean, Wendy and Dale got them all set up. So they're all good. They're all good. They're my buddies. So we're not doing this training, we're not making pals. Hey. Don't be going out of here. Quit that. Don't be going out. You're staying in here with me. You're staying here with me. They will send you to Montana. Don't be fighting. Don't be fighting. Yeah, so it's about the 9th of January 2022, and I've got pups right in here from Bonna. I got pups right in here from Tekla. Letta is doing 10 days, 8 days. Vida's bred, and Tuba's in with Karu right now. She'll be getting bred right away. And Luna's in heat, so it's a hey, so much for that. I gotta put another board up. Your brother just went AWOL. He just went AWOL. That's where that saying came from. He went over AWOL. That's how it came about. Old dog breeder sayings. Half the sayings in the world. So yeah, I was thinking about the Tekla litter, and I gotta do a shout out because I'm pretty sure it's Frank's birthday today, and he has one of the, now let me just think, if it's a Tekla grandson, yeah, it's a Tekla grandson, and that's Indy. So Frank is, oh my God, he's got a beautiful dog there. He's done such a good job with that Indy. I saw some recent photos just the other day, and just incredible. I can't remember whose father, oh, I think it was Mon. Yeah, Mon would be the father of that. Silver Nova would be the mother of Indy. And Mon, hey, you come here. Don't be over there. You stay right here by me. Yeah, Toby tried that trick. You come here. Get here, buddy. Get up here. Good. Get up here, buddy. So yeah, Frank's celebrating his birthday today. So happy birthday, Frank. And say hello to that Indy. And I was talking to Brendan yesterday, and he's got the brother of the Indy. He's got Ivy. So rockstar dogs, those boys. And who the heck else was I talking to? Just recently was another one of them pups. They're incredible dogs, those dogs. And they never got out of a pen. Them boys, like this guy. You better come here, mister. You better come back in here. How'd they end up with just two? How'd they end up with just two? How'd I just have two in here? Hey, boys. There's my third one. There's my boy. There's my boy. You better come here. Come and see me. Come right here. Come right here. You better slip back in here with us. You better stay in here. You better stay in here. We'll put this shavings there, and then you can't get out of there. How's that? How about that? What kind of trick was that? Pretty good. So yeah, beautiful dogs. Oh my God, these are 5th generation pups for us. I'm really happy with them. Really doing good. Yeah, very nice dogs. So the family that came yesterday, Eric and Julia, and Matthew and Catherine, they really, Julia was home, but that's who the family is. They've had one of our pups for years. Hey, you gotta quit going over it. That brother of yours, he wants to go over all the time. Oh, he's fast. He can just hop right out. So this pen is useless. That's okay. We'll get you a higher board. I'll just put another board up. Piece of cake. I just built this for you guys. But I'll take you out and I'll put you in a different pen. You're just my buddy. This one I'm going to send south right away. He's a good boy. Yeah, very good boy. Elliot wants a really good fella. This is a good boy. Yeah, amazing dog. Amazing. Yeah, personable, hander focused, stays focused all the time. Great dog. All of them are hander focused. That guy just is that's a sage pup. These are Willow pups, so different litters. So he don't mind if he leaves these two behind. Hey, boys, come here. Quit quiet. Come here, buddy. Get up here, buddy. Quit quiet. Get up here. Get up here. Ah, you guys are buddy. Go, guys are buddy. Go tail buddy. That's up here. Yeah, they're having fun. They're a good bunch. Tough little rascals. Yeah, doing good. So I got Hercules here. I'll put him in as Hercules. He'll teach him some tolerance. They can beat the crap out of him. Good. Good. Get up here, buddy. Come here. Can't you handle him? Ah, you guys are good. You guys are good. All right, that's enough now. That's enough. He wants this to come and visit. You guys to come and sit by me. Quit goofing around. Jesus. What do you think this is? Circus? This is not a circus here, buddy. This is not circus here. But you're just leaving me. Say hello. But just say hello. Quit goofing around. Jesus. Chill out here. Just chill out. Let's see. Oh my God. You got some chompers, buddy. How's he keep it? Oh my God, this guy. Oh my God. Your brother's got some good chompers. We're just talking. We're not scrapping. Right, buddy? Isn't that right, buddy? Go away. Where'd your brother go? Is he eating my slipper? Where's your brother? I'll bring him in one more time. And that's it. Just because I think he's eating my slipper. And then we'll call her a video. got your great-great-grandpa's pad. That's what he got, you guys. He got great-grandpa's patty. So he got some extra food today, which is fine. You boys are so good. Jesus, you boys are good. Say hello. Oh, wow. Good boy. Good boy. You're such a good boy. Yeah, lovely dogs. Oh my goodness. So these are Karu boys. So they got some spunk. These boys, they can hunt, they can hike, they're personable. They're phenomenal. And these two here are Willows. That's the Sage pup, that one over there. These two are Willow. Willow and Sage had them a couple days apart. Both bred to Karu. Karu had actually hooked up with them both 12 hours ago. And then we did another mating with each, and then we did another hookup with Sage later. Yeah, wonderful dogs, these guys. These are old world genetics, boy. Yeah, ancient lions here, boy. Oldest lions known in this dog. Yeah. Pure old hunt strain that Karu line too has never been in North America. Never been in North America. First time. You're like the first generation of old world in this country, buddy, aren't you? Aren't you? Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Yeah, very, very good dogs. Oh, Jesus. Yeah, lovely dogs. You guys are good. Your brother's good too. All your other brothers are good. And there's one daughter, Soul Stuff. She's heading home right away too. She stayed with Wendy. Wendy couldn't part with them all. She would have been just crying. I could have got you out, I guess. Hey, buddy. Sorry about that. Yeah, I had you out, but not soon enough. I had these guys just out, but he said go again. All the excitement. Just put this straw in here, didn't I, buddy? Don't be. That's your aunt there. You better come here. I'm wrapping this video up. Yeah, Sage and Willow, they got some phenomenal pups, I'm telling you. But we got some really cool females coming up over there because the Swix and Tika daughters are probably going to cycle toward the end of the year. And that is some phenomenal because that's Cedar and Aspen. And we'll mate them to Karu, and then we got the #1 stud dog bear line out of Sweden, which is Swix. We got the best Norway blood of any in Tika, and then made them to the best out of Finland, which is Karu. I mean, it just gets so crazy, you can't even believe it. So yeah. Well, having Karu in with Tuba right now, pretty astounding. This litter in here with Vaughn, oh my God, they're good. This is a Pretty Boy Leap and Tekla right here. I'll get them on video later. I just wanted to do these boys. I was hoping to do all three, but I'll get that other guy. He'll be bad. His belly now, he'll lay down. He's in sleep. I'll get you boys some water. These two boys could have went as a matched pair. They really could have. Yeah. They battled a little bit, but it's all in good fun. It's all in good fun. Yeah. This would have been a good pair. Would have been a good pair, you guys. I'm trying to do a video so you can just wait a minute. Right? Right, buddy? Better get your names and start calling you she come anyway. I just got them yesterday, so holy cow. You guys are doing good. I had them out first thing this morning by 5 o'clock. They were happy to be out running around barking at everybody. Just barking. You guys are barking and barking. Your brother's right, Andy. Yeah. Well, that's about it for this video. You guys quit crying. Good. Good, I'll get that up. And then I gotta do another one. I just wanted to showcase those boys. Just got them.